Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We are right in the middle of the month of September, where we've got some exciting topics that we're working on. So, for our Monday Compass, I'm going to let Victoria get us started. Victoria?
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Okay, so you may recall from last week, I introduced the concept of narrative distance. So we're going to continue down that road, and I promised you some examples. So I won't give anything away, but I have cooked up some examples for you so that you can actually see in text what close versus far narrative distance looks like, and then how you can practice that in your own writing. So come back tomorrow.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Thank you so much, Victoria. Well, we are working on the character trait of courtesy for this month. And last week we went over the definition of courtesy. What does it mean? How do you think about it? How do you look for it amongst characters? And this week we're going to take it down to the nature of the struggle, what constitutes a victory, and what constitutes a loss so that we can see how courtesy functions in a story. So come on back tomorrow and we will see you for our Tuesday map. Bye-bye.